Hey, it's July 11th. I'm going to Casper, Wyoming for a little while. And my birthday's in 5 days. And my aunt's is in 4 days. So that's kind of interesting. Now the question is, will my mother remember? But as you can see, there's a lot of things in Wyoming. Not much space in Wyoming. We're kind of crowded here.
Right in this place, right here. Unfortunately, they all look exactly the same.
Right. Yeah. It's very true.
One rolling hill after another. But
I guess that's why they call it the Great Plains, right?
Right?
All right, well, I'll talk to you guys in a little while. That looks really cool. In case some of you have never seen this, that's what you call a plateau. It's flat on the top. Just in case. I'm just messing with you guys. I know you probably know what it is.
Casper Mountain is in front of us.
Yeah, Casper Mountain is like smooth.
Not if you're up there.
Oh, I guess that's true.
I've worked up there quite a bit.
So,
it has a lot of draws and canyons and crazy stuff.
You know, it's funny because from here, Casper looks pretty small.
Yeah, well, you can't really see much of it from here.
That's true.
When you
I can burp though.
The event center over here is a real clue to the actual size of the city.
Where? I can't see it.
The big red thing there.
Oh, that thing that looks like a barn? No,
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, but when you get up close to that, that's enormous.
Yeah, okay.
And we're still a mile or more from it.
Oh,
It's quite a bit bigger than the metro.
Scheissas.
Yeah, it's big.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, I know that Casper's sort of big. I mean, it's not really I don't know, it's not big enough for some people to call it a city. No.
It's a city.
I know. It's funny though.
It's
well, people are like, "Oh, Sheridan's not a city.
It's not Denver,
it's a town.
New York, or Paris, or anything like that.
Well, yeah, but
it's a city.
Or Billings.
I think at this point, Casper is very comparable size to Billings.
No, maybe. I don't know. Billings has been growing quite a bit.
Casper's just been growing insane.
Right.
It goes clear down to where the mountain meets the horizon. The end of town is clear over there.
Really?
Yeah.
Holy cow.
And it goes quite a ways this way too.
Yeah, it's long. That's
and
funny.
this that we're in right here, this is just the industrial
part. Yeah.
Section.
Yeah, kind of like when you go into Billings from the south.
Right.
You got the, you have the Cummins, not factory, but the Cummins garage.
Right, and there's truck dealerships out here.
Yeah.
And oil field stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Here in a minute.
Well, this is Wyoming, you know. What else
here in a minute we'll pass. Yeah, now as you get closer to the event center, you start to get an idea of its size if you compare it to the trees around it.
Yeah, they look like bushes.
Yeah, right. They're not bushes. Those are full-grown, like 60-foot trees.
Right.
Yeah, it's...
if this thing will focus.
The metro's not even a real place compared to the event center. It's huge.
The metro?
Yeah.
Is that the one in Billings?
In Billings, yeah.
Yeah, that thing is not really that big actually in Billings.
Yeah.
It's kind of funny, but Billings is a pretty good sized city, you know.
Camplex is a puppy compared to this one. It's really a whopper. It's so big it actually has its own weather.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it develops its own clouds, rains in there, and they have to do shit to control it. This is where we bought the mud system.
French.
This is where we bought all the pieces for our mud system.
Oh, I see.
When we got it, it was green like those.
Yeah,
green
like
ones.
those tanks. Okay.
Like those light green ones.
Yeah, not the dark green ones. That look like military.
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh, there it is. Whoa.
Yeah, it's big.
That is good size.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah, that one tree there that's almost even with the roof, it's probably an 80-foot tree.
Holy cow.
Yeah, it's a goodie. It's probably...
It's a goodie but an oldie.
It's probably 4 like Sheridan City blocks inside.
Oh,
Yeah, it's big.
wow, that's pretty good size.
Yeah, when you get in the nosebleed seats in that, I'm telling you, you're in the nosebleed seats.
Hey, Jack's Trucking Equipment. I
Yeah.
wonder if they sell Jacks there.
No,
Whoa.
crap.
Yeah.
Jack sells stuff there, I guess.
Jack's sells Jacks.
It probably does.
Yeah.
They're the Freightliner
There's one of the
dealership, among other things. Freightliner and Western Star, and I don't know what else.
Right.
We have several Freightliner trucks, and so
Oh yeah, you do.
I get parts from Jack's.
And you have one Western Star truck.
We don't own that one yet.
Oh, you don't own it yet? Oh, that's right. Yeah, you said Marvin hadn't bought it yet, so.
But we do have a couple of auto cars, which are the same company as Western Star.
Oh, okay. Look at the little cranes.
The little bitty fellas.
Ah,
One's about a 25 and one's about a 30.
look.
Which is, 30 ton is nothing to laugh at.
Yeah. Ah. Just, you know what is something to laugh at though? This is called Vanilla Roma. That's funny to me. Vanilla Roma. All right, I'm gonna shut it off for a little while. See you guys in a minute. That was a quick minute. The tank farm makes sense to me.
That's what they call it. They call it the tank farm.
Well, there are a lot of tanks over there.
Yeah, and they're big too. They don't really, until you get up close to them, you don't realize how big they are, but they're really big.
Oh, I can tell from here.
Well, it'll give you an idea if you look at the water tank over there.
Yeah.
That's one of Casper's municipal water tanks, one of the larger ones actually. And then you compare it to these oil tanks, and it isn't even a dot on them.
You know, Wyoming could just straight up cut itself off from the rest of the country, and we'd be fine. We'd be like, we're just gonna keep our oil. Then they'd be like, yeah, government, you can go. We'll keep what is it? Teapot? No. What is it?
Teapot Dome?
Teapot Dome, yeah. We'll keep that. You don't get any of that now.
Yeah, that'd probably run this state for...
Right?
I don't know.
Well, that's
100 years.
It's ridiculous. The government just takes our freaking oil. Just like, this is the government's oil. It may not be the only one that's the government's one, but I mean, it's ridiculous to me.
By Crockett, we're doing exceedingly well.
What time is it?
It is 9 o'clock sharp.
Oh, wow.
Braco is right over there.
Nice. Wow. Hey, we did get here at 9. Yeah.
Well,
power service.
Pretty close.
Get some
yeah,
power.
they're a big outfit. You see how many buildings they've got?
Yeah, that's a pretty good sized yard.
That's an oil field service company.
Really good sized yard. There's the tanks way over there. Those things are pretty big. All right. Well, I will talk to you guys in a minute again. That's cool. Get it out of metal. And this is a very important piece of drilling equipment. It is called a barbecue. That's pretty interesting though, the way it's set up. So then these open up. This must be a grill or something. That's some heavy barbecuing.
Right? Yeah, you make two big old cream can dinners or whatever on it at the same time.
Whoa! At the same time? No, just kidding. This is a ghost town.